Bye. Bye. Where you going? Let's go. Bye. Mama. Mama. Brindley. Bye. 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 Brindley.
Ni get my meal down up, tena big na rap ni get my sweet up down, tena big money dreams ilali. I'm up, let a big flow ni clean mali naitaji money.
Morning, my lovely lovelies. Welcome to my YouTube channel for yet another vlog episode. I hope your day, I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing okay. As for me, I am doing good. By the way, don't mind the the dad. This is mothering. Long story on how this happened. Well, you see how dirty I am. Yeah, so that is mothering. Yeah, story for another day. So guys, so lovelies, today I think it's day 2 or day 3 of my stop breastfeeding journey series. So today I'm excited. So, baby Brinley drank her porridge well. Oh my god, without being fussy, without anything, she drank well. You've seen how she has drunk her porridge. Well. Oh, well. Oh, well. Well, for me, that's such an achievement, yani. Yeah. Ooh, hey. I hope she continues that way. Unajua wanasemanga mgema akisifiwa nini what sijui hulitia maji. Oh my god, forgive me for my Kiswahili not knowing Kiswahili. I don't even know Kiswahili by then nilipatanga nini. I do not know. Yeah. So guys, I am so excited. At least I can see progress of her. Like there's hope at the end of the challenge. Potato. Yeah. Yeah. At the end of the channel, that she's almost letting go of the boobies. Yeah. So my lovelies, let go. Hey, lovelies. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're fantabulous. Yeah. I am good. I am great. I am blessed. Yeah. Can't complain. So.
And I am back.
Yeah, he's back. Yeah, from the previous vlog, you saw how happy I was. Yeah, kama kawaida, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Yeah, and turn on the notification bell. Share the link if you have to. Yeah, on your social media pages. So yeah, don't worry about here. So I am doing a fridge cleanup. Yeah, these are the fridge compartments. And by the way, of late I've been scrolling through TikTok and what? Have you seen the fridge restock? Hey, does the pressure increase or decrease? Oh well, but anyway, I tap in those blessings because I know one day, maybe I'll be doing like a fridge restock. Hey, from my mouth to God's ears. Kama kawa, yeah. God, like I always say, there's nothing too big for God. It's just that, clap for others until it's your turn. Yeah, me, I am clapping for those who are doing the fridge restock. No hate. I am clapping for you guys because I know one day it will be me. It will be me more. Yeah. So right now, let me do a clean up, and then we'll catch up later. So let go.
Totherera kawange dhaka Mapangale, 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 mapangale.
So lovely, lovely. I am D for Dan. Yeah, I've already cleaned the fridge compartments and I've already cleaned the fridge already. It is spick and span. It is neat. Yeah, as I said, from my mouth to God's ears, I'll be saying, let me clean my fridge containers, let me clean up so that I can do a fridge restock. Yeah. I tap in those blessings and I'll forever clap for others until it's my turn. I'll not be jelly of others, but I'll clap for others until it's my turn. Yeah, because I know me, I always believe that we always have our own timing. God's timing is the best. When God elevates you, when no man can say, when God says yes, nobody can say no. So yeah, now I want to cook. I'm cooking uji right now. Nimechelewa. I was supposed to cook uji in the morning, but like I got caught up with one two. Yeah, I know she's supposed to be a priority, but I was caught up in washing this fridge thingies, but at least she had something to eat. Yeah, so I want to continue cooking uji. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, guys. And I love you so so much for my returning service. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for always tuning in to Akinyi Murungaru's channel. Man, I do not take it for granted, man. Say, hey, a stranger viewing another stranger, like, and then you're appreciating the stranger. You know, you get me, you get me. Yeah, I really appreciate a lot, a lot, a lot. Yani, one love, one love, one love, man. Yeah. So, thank you even for being with me in this Stop Breastfeeding Journey series. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. I know, as I said, I'll come back here and then I tell you, guys, so lovely, lovely. Imagine baby Brinley finished. Like, she doesn't want the titties again. I know I'll be saying like that. I'll be saying that soon, soon, soon. Yeah, it's God and my effort. So, my lovely, lovelies, thank you so much. And yeah, we'll catch up later, I guess. I guess. I do not know. Shizuka might have other engagements. I don't think so. So, bye bye. Let go. Mwah.
Stack canteen, na hope ni stack my hose. See what it I need my peace.